Hey, what are you doing tonight? Why don't you be my +1 for a dinner at Chez Sophie at a special influencer media event? Come on, let's go eat. Hello culture eaters, so let's go to a restaurant tonight. Why don't you come with me? I am off to a social media event exclusive for influencers, and we're going to sample the new menu of the restaurant Chez Sophie, and they also have a brand new decor. Chez Sophie was actually one of my very first restaurant reviews. You can check it out now. I'm going to link it up on top. And yeah, it was really nice, very good food. Definitely not budget friendly, but for a very special night, it's a really great place. The owner, Sophie, is the chef, and her husband, Marco, is the sommelier. So what a great combo. Power couple. Today we have been invited to try their new spring menu. It's classic French with an influence of Mediterranean and Italian touches. And the restaurant has been completely redesigned. Apparently it has a Mediterranean feel to it with some northern Canadian aspects as well. With the chef as the owner and the sommelier as the husband, it's a perfect pairing both in marriage and in dining experience. We are almost there, so I hope that you guys are ready to have fun and enjoy a really good meal.
Ce soir et je lui laisse la parole.
Je suis très timide, j'aime pas trop parler en public, donc on est heureux de vous avoir ce soir et on espère que vous allez passer une agréable soirée et une très bonne dégustation. Mon équipe va s'occuper de vous et merci.
So this is my friend Victor, and this is what you see is a hardcore foodie reporter. We're out on the patio,
yes,
and we're taking shots outside because the light is so much better.
Yes.
I just don't remember what it is.
It's avocado, crab cake, mango, I think?
Something like that.
Yeah, it's a maki roll, very innovative.
A crab cake, innovative maki roll.
Avec carpaccio de dorade, poire au fumé et crème montée au citron.
Here is our appetizer dish. It is the perfect egg with sea bass carpaccio, smoked leek, and lemon cream. I cannot wait to bite into it. Oh, there we go.
Cuvée principalement avec de la syrah, un peu de grenache et mourvèdre.
Champignons king chaud de Bruxelles et sauce gastrique au café.
I think it's exactly what I ordered last time.
Puis aussi, on fait des vins blancs secs à partir du cépage. Et donc, c'est tout sur le pollen, mais sur un miel d'été, là, un peu un miel très floral.
Moi aussi, j'aimerais.
Oh my
Quand vous voulez, je suis prête. Oh, coulis de chocolat.
So awesome.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we just finished our very good meal. I want to introduce you an old friend of mine, Victor. Check out his Instagram account at Random Cuisines. We'll have it linked down at the bottom. So what did you think of our dinner?
Seriously, like I've been here like 4 years ago when they opened, and still the dining experience was spectacular. The food was amazing, perfect cooking, and that the crispy egg, so good.
Yeah, the egg yolk porn. Like, check out also my
Egg yolk
Instagram
porn.
account, and I'll probably have a video of it. Oh my god, like ultimate egg yolk porn.
Yes.
Really amazing. So I hope that you enjoyed this sneak peek into a influencer social media event. And hopefully that you enjoyed the food too. I love the chocolate dessert when they just poured the
Was
sauce and it
amazing.
melted. That was so cool.
And spectacular.
It was really good. So definitely, if you are in Montreal and you're looking for a fancy place, it's not the cheapest place, but if you're looking for a really good, decent meal and fancy meal, definitely go to Chez Sophie.
Yes.
And let me know, have you had anything, have you had sweetbread before? Do you know what sweetbread is? You know, because it's the thyroid gland of veal. So people get freaked out by it, but it's really good. So let us know if you've had sweetbread before. And until then, remember to always eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. And I'll see you very soon. Mwah. Bye.